Look at these clowns fucking flying a drone right here where I'm at. If I had my fucking shit, I'd take it down right now. Shit flew that way. Probably somebody that's parked right here at the park or some shit. The funny thing is that when I seen that shit, it literally, well, most likely it flew right here and then it dropped down to get a visual of me. And then it stood right there hovering for like a solid minute. And then it flew that way. And then it flew back that way to whoever the fuck has the fucking drone. But, I mean, that shit doesn't matter. It's not like it's a fucking surprise to me that these fucking cowards, you know what I mean, fucking are all up on my nuts like always. I'm right here in the riverbed, just chilling. You know, cars can't come over here. Nobody really pretty much can come over here. Oh shit. So it's the reason why I fucking come. Interesting. That just passed me over, I guess. I didn't even hear it. Oh shit, that funny shit. It's funny how accurate these motherfuckers are, like literally flying over me. And you think I'm fucking paranoid, right? But look, I'm just chilling, bro. All my motherfucking sandals on. Anyways, fuck perps. Rise above these motherfuckers.